Morning, y'all. Apparently this is the world's biggest truck. I don't know by what measurement. It's pretty big though. Check it out. Give you a bit of an idea. My head is to the hub. It's big. Okay, it's big. Well, here I am. I'm going to check out Josephine Falls near Elkford, BC. And then I'm going to take a quick rip up to Lily Lake. I have some swim shorts, but I don't know if I'm going to swim. We'll see. It is raining. Let's see what we got. So right off the bat, we're in a logged area. I don't know how long ago it was logged, but you can see that they have planted little trees. But a lot of people are really against logging. If it's done properly, it's actually really healthy for a forest to be logged. When we let forests get too old and too dense, that's when we get huge disasters like Jasper. So it's actually a really healthy part of the forest to make room for new growth. And it can be a sustainable industry. Okay, so we're entering into a part of the cut that was planted and cut a little farther out than the one we just started off with. So you can actually see all these really healthy little pine trees. Little pine trees here, because everything branches off from the same level right here. So those are pine trees of some sort. A lot healthier. Well, I found Josephine Falls. It's kind of scary. There's a chain link fence saying don't go there, so I'm gonna go there. Check this out. This is about as much as you're gonna get for my waterfall smile, because I'm scared. Okay, all right. So for somebody who says I don't fear anything but the Lord, I am decidedly afraid of heights. I totally get out of here. So I got out of there. Anyways, you got about a half a second of waterfall smile. I'm gonna go check out Lily Lake now. Is that a better waterfall smile? I'm so scared right now. So there behind me is Lily Lake. Not really that spectacular. Kind of reminds me of that little lake behind my apartment in Hinton. But on my way out to the parking lot and then the long road home. So I just want to explain these little marks here. So these are blazes. I'll explain them in a sec here. I'm gonna flip the camera around. So I haven't seen these on my trails yet, but I know that they're called blazes. People use them to mark a path, and I can literally see ahead of me the trail. Now, I can see the trail underneath me a little bit too, but this would be helpful in the snow or when the path was just brand new. Probably used for trap lines. I know that there's trapping up in this area, and that's where we get the term blazing a trail from. So I have some blaze marks to follow and feel like I'm prehistoric in my plastic rain gear. And here we are in a planted forest. This has been harvested before and it's been planted. And if you look around, it's like super healthy. Not so many waterfalls today, but I had a really great time. I enjoyed just getting out and being okay to be wet, and just adding to the experience of learning to hike and explore the mountains. And I really look forward to getting out again next weekend on my way home to Calgary right now. I'll let you know if I see anything cool. I decided to surprise you with a bonus waterfall. Now there's a world famous waterfall right now because somebody jumped a jet boat off this thing. So we're gonna check that out. Lundbreck Falls. I don't think she's painting the waterfall. Okay, the easiest waterfall smile for the year so far, Lundbreck Falls. This is the waterfall that dude jumped a jet boat off of. So I'm gonna tag him, maybe I'll get some views.